1. Make a website or start a blog. Create a website or blog that focuses on your passion, then post something new every day. Try to offer your readers something they can use so that they keep coming back. To generate revenue, post ads on your site, include paid content, or sell subscriptions that allow access to more content. It often takes a while to make money from a website or blog, and it's very competitive. However, it's possible to earn money this way. Variation: depending on the subject of your website or blog, you might try selling affiliate items to make extra cash. This involves linking to items on sites like Amazon or other retailers. 2. Become a freelancer in an area where you have expertise. If you have a skill that's in demand, you can sell your services directly to clients who need them. Advertise your services on a personal website and look for freelancing jobs on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Additionally, hand out business cards and encourage happy clients to tell others about your work. Here are some ways you can earn money as a freelancer: do programming or coding. Design websites. Do graphic design. Write. Edit or proofread. Become a consultant if you have expertise. 3. Complete online surveys for extra cash or gift cards. Online surveys don't pay much, but they can help you earn money in your spare time. If you do a lot of surveys, you can get cash rewards. However, don't pay to sign up with a survey company, as a legit website won't charge you. Here are some survey sites to try: Global Test Market Survey, Junkie User Testing, Mind Field Online. Check out the link description below.